How to add on songs in Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Instagram application on your device and make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Then here you can just tap on the camera button and you'll be able to select, or you can just click a photo over here. So here I've clicked a photo. Now to add the music, what you can do is tap on the music option at the top right corner of the screen. So as you can see, these are the music and the songs that Instagram has provided me, and there are no options for me to add my own songs in the Instagram story. So there's no process and there's no way of adding our own songs in Instagram story for now, but all you can do is you can just edit the video or the photo in the third-party apps such as InShot or CapCut and add it into your Instagram story. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.